right, that is my 6-pound can of pure pumpkin in our large aluminum tin. Next, I'm coming in with my yellow cake mix, and this one is 4 pounds of cake mix, and we're gonna add that whole entire thing right in there with our pure pumpkin. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious sweet treat that everyone will love. Next, I'm coming in with some chocolate chips, and don't worry, we're not gonna use this whole bag. We're gonna use a couple cups, so maybe like 2 cups of chocolate chips right in there with our pure pumpkin and our yellow cake mix. Now I'm using yellow cake mix, but you can use a spice cake mix, you can use a vanilla cake mix, you can use a chocolate cake mix, but I like the yellow. All right, once we're happy with our chocolate chip amount, we're gonna grab our spatula and it's time to get mixing. We wanna make sure we fully combine that pure pumpkin and that cake mix, and that is all we're gonna need for this super easy sweet treat. You don't need any eggs, you don't need any oil. That pure pumpkin is gonna do all the work and add some great fall flavors to this easy potluck dessert. So let's make sure we get this well combined so we can get it cooking. All right, so once we get our batter kind of thick and all this beautiful terracotta color, we're gonna just flatten it out, make sure it's nice and even. There's a little bit more on this side, so we wanna make sure that we get it nice and even. Now this isn't gonna taste and have the same texture as a traditional cake. It's gonna have a thicker, richer texture, and it's gonna be amazing. So I think this looks good enough. And we can go ahead and put this in the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about an hour. All right, look at this. We did get some cracking on our pumpkin cake, but that's okay because we're gonna top it with some Cool Whip. You could do like a cream cheese frosting or homemade whipped cream if that's what you prefer, but my family loves Cool Whip, so we are making it easy on ourselves, and we are gonna add this full 16 ounces of Cool Whip right on top of our delicious pumpkin chocolate cake. It is still a little bit warm, so I'm gonna be quick with it so we can dig in. All right, that looks absolutely amazing, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna top this off with some pumpkin pie spice. It's just gonna make it look prettier and add a nice little kick to this dessert. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig in. You could also do like some mini chocolate chips on top, but we're keeping it simple, like I said. That looks pretty tasty to me. Let's go ahead and dig in. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks so tasty. Smells like pumpkin spice latte. Ooh. All right, her Cool Whip is not making it, but that's okay. That flavor is gonna be there. It's perfectly cooked. So simple, so delicious. Oh my gosh. That is so good. You guys have to try it.